Graybeard here. I just received my Alien 3D box and I was going to do a quick video to show you what's inside of it and to look at all the contents. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm very excited to see what it is. Alright, so here's the box. May your new year bring you joy and prosperity. It's a nice looking box. Let's see, Happy New Year. Little baby on the side. It's like a baby alien, who knows. Now, this was supposed to arrive at the end of December, I believe. A few days late, but I heard there was some really good things inside, so I'm looking forward to what it is and to see if it's worth the wait. All right, let's see what's inside of the box. Try to keep all this in frame as best as I can. So as always, you do get a nice flyer. Let's see. Oops, there's stickers inside of that flyer that just fell out. So that's the flyer. Sparklified. Unified filament objects, or unidentified filament objects. Materials contained within are dangerous if lit from the wrong end. Also, any attempts to probe yourself before lighting may cause burns in places you really don't want burns. You have been warned. So inside of that, I did notice that some stickers fell out. So we have a Micro Swiss sticker, really cool. Don't worry, I'm a pro sticker. I kind of like that one. That's really funny. Looks like it's a Micro Swiss 15% off code. Try not to show any codes here. Another Gloop discount card. That's always nice. I need more Gloop. Oh, cool. A Country Club YouTube sticker. All right, let's see what else is inside of here. So we have various settings going through all the various filaments inside of the box, as well as a thank you note for everyone who receives the box, which is always very nice. Looks like we also have a flyer for the Micro Swiss, and let's see, the Mothership box, which is a special reward box one person has picked every month, is receiving 6 rolls, 6 full kilograms of filament this month. That's really cool. And a little description of the bonus project. Every month the box has a bonus project in it, and so this is describing that. And let's see, stop trying to shoot us out of the sky with your fireworks. Alien 3D. So, ooh, all right. Looks like we have a Micro Swiss M6 rep hardened steel nozzle. Let's see, plated A2 hardened tool steel. That's an M6 1.75 0.4 millimeter. And you can see a little 0.4 on this side of that, maybe, if I can get it in focus. So that is really cool. That's a nice nozzle. I used to have Micro Swiss on my monoprice printer, but I haven't tried any of their nozzles since I moved to the Prusa. I wonder if that one fits. I think it does. So I might try that on a Prusa. Then I have a Fibrology Onyx Easy PLA, and that's really nice. U.S. monofilaments. I've been getting more and more of their stuff. Yellow high heat grade PLA. So that's a HD PLA. 190 to 230. And that yellow looks really good. I can't wait to see how that comes out. Let's see. 3D Prints Limited Crystal Green PLA. So that looks like a more regular PLA since the temperatures don't get that high on it. But still, it's a nice kind of blue-green translucent PLA. Oh, what's this? This looks like a circuit of some kind. Yeah, it looks like a, what do they call them? Arduino Nano or something along those lines. So that's cool. That's probably for the project. Oh, another filament. Filament 1, PLA Pro Select Glint Silver. So, ooh. So if you look real close, you can see that it has glitter in it and it's silver. So hopefully that's a really nice print. This looks like another circuitry. I don't know what kind it is, but it looks like a sensor of some. Oh, there you go. I think that's a humidity sensor. So that should go with the Arduino. Looks like a USB cable, also for the project of the month. This is a this looks like a really intense project this month. All right, ooh, some cables. So those are some jumpers. Okay, another filament 1. Oh, so it looks like there's 6 filaments in here this month. That's unusual for this box. PLA Pro Navy Blue Unreleased from filament 1. So that looks really cool. Let's see. Yeah, that looks really nice. I think the air seal on this bag got compromised somehow. It might have got popped a little bit, but that looks really nice. Oh, this is a big piece of circuitry. Okay, an LCD screen, and I'm not sure what that is. Wow. This is some really nice stuff in here. All right. So again, normally they don't come with 6 of these things. I think it's normally 4. Stro 3D, Strong Hero 3D. Okay, yeah, I have some of the Strong Hero stuff. Looks like they might have changed their logo. Translucent yellow PETG. Okay, some PETG. So normally in this box, it's usually a lot of PLAs. So I do like that there is a PETG in there. Hopefully we can see some other filaments in here that are more than just PLA. And it looks like we get a little breadboard thing for wiring all this circuitry together. So that's it in the box. I mean, this is some really this is a really nice box. It has so much in it for as little as how I feel I paid. I don't get any anything from Alien 3D in this sense, although he is helping me with my website, but I pay for these boxes myself. So that's the humidity sensor. I'll have to look up this, and then that's the glint silver, so you can kind of see the sparkles in there. So that one, crystal green PLA from 3D Prints Limited. U.S. monofilaments, and again, I do like that yellow a lot. It's U.S. monofilaments. And the fibrology. So that is the Onyx Easy PLA. So that's it. That's a lot of stuff in that box. That's a lot of circuitry, and on top of that, a really nice micro Swiss nozzle. This is an unusual box. I will say that this is not what I expect to receive every month. Usually every month it's several filament samples, an accessory of some sort, and the accessories so far have been always very nice. I think December we received a very large bottle of Loop, which was really nice. And then you always get a project, but usually with not so many components. And they're not always electronic. Sometimes they're just really easy, like some LED lights or something. I guess it's still electronic, but it's just not as complicated. So that's it, and that's the UFO box. I do recommend you go check it out. It's been a great box to be subscribed to. I mostly subscribe to get the filament colors from my website, but I do like getting all these other goodies too. So that's it, and thank you very much for watching. Please click subscribe if you like the video, and have a good day.